Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve. This is the F450, which we're going to get into a video probably tomorrow, going into the details of what all is actually damaged, what all happened. Just excuse the wire hanging here. But we also have the Bruce project, which is going to I'm going to install that video by the end of the week. The engine will be in, and hopefully we'll be able to get it fired up. We also have the GTA Betsy over here. Now we are going to clean up some of this stuff too. I've got a bunch of projects and it was winter time, so I had a little bit of downtime, but today is not about any of those. We also have the C5 Corvette and we have the GMC Sierra, which is up there. I had to use it for some work things, so it's tucked up there nicely. But today our buddy Mike is back in town and he wanted me to give him a hand installing a light bar, so that's what we're going to do. So let's jump in the car and head on over. What's up, buddy? How are you feeling? You look normal. Mo, say hi. Say hi. Look, pet him. He's a good boy. He won't jump on you or nothing. He just had a bunch of surgery and stuff. Well, all right, so we're here to install a light bar.
We are. You are. I'm here because I live here.
Yeah.
But you're here because I need your expertise.
So we're just gonna grab the Sawzall and cut the roof off.
Pretty much.
Yeah, let's do it. The world wants to see that happen.
No, see, well, I wish I was filming right now because I do want to talk about that too. Yeah.
I got to catch Mike in his natural habitat.
Yeah. All right, now I'm filming again. Steve brought up a great point. He was talking about potentially cutting the roof off the Blazer.
Not potentially. We're gonna do it.
Yeah, and I'm thinking that I know you guys don't want to see the truck ruined, and neither do I. But I think we can. I think we can pull it off.
Yeah.
And we'll do it for the summer when it's gonna be hot out. We're gonna have no roof.
Well, because I was thinking about it anyway. Since you have to do this quarter panel to get rid of this, you might as well just cut the back off and then
just get rid of the whole roof.
Yeah. Yep. Just gone. Because then you can use this piece to weld in down there.
I mean, I really want to, because I want to do something crazy and different with it.
Yeah.
And the light bar will be fine. The only thing that's kind of a bummer is I just ordered it actually a couple days ago. I got something really cool for the roof.
Really?
But that won't, we can't use that then. But
well,
it is what it is.
We could find a way to tie it in. We could do something. We'll have a roll cage or. Yeah, I know what you're getting. I'm pretty confident that I know what you got.
I mean, it involves putting a wheel and tire on.
Yeah, I'm gonna assume it's like a Baja rack of some sort.
Might be something.
Yeah, definitely. So, she never leaves my side. Never. Yeah, she's got to go with me everywhere we go.
It's like me with Yali.
Except for the mud pole or mud hole. She wasn't there.
She doesn't go to the lake?
No, she didn't go lake. Yeah.
But,
There was something I really was gonna say too, and now I forget.
You were probably gonna compliment me on how well the Blazer runs and drives.
That's not it.
I'm ready to go, dude. So we got the bar, we got all the wiring, we got the mounts, we just don't have the bolts.
That's okay. Yeah, we got that.
We got everything though.
We got them out in my vehicle.
I already put the little ends. I put the little ends on the little mounts.
I see that. Nice.
So we just gotta put it on the roof.
Nice. I think get rid of the bug deflector.
And put it on the hood.
Put it on the hood.
I don't know about that one.
No? You got to be different, Mike. See, everybody always puts it up top there.
Well, that's where it goes.
No, that's where everybody thinks it should go.
I'm not putting it there. That looks stupid.
Dude, that looks sick. Get rid of the bug deflector.
You would think that's sick. That's something you would do.
It's different.
It's different.
We dare to be different around here.
There's a difference though between different just for the sake of being different and different
god-awful hideous.
Terrible, doing terrible things all the time.
You're right. We'll put it up there since it's your vehicle. If it was mine, I'd put it there.
I thought maybe here.
That wouldn't be terrible either.
That would be horrible.
That would be a lot easier for us.
Would it?
Like that would be a fast, thing there.
We just drill
right through the hood. Yeah. And these hoods are a dime a dozen.
We can do that.
Versus once you go up there, you're up there.
God, I'm gonna scratch the whole hood. Right here?
Ooh, that looks even worse. This ain't a Jeep.
I think
that looks worse, actually. Believe it or not, I didn't think it could get any worse than right here.
That's dumb.
Until we put it there. Yeah.
All right,
up on the roof it is.
That looks awful.
Yeah. Lift it up there.
I thought it was actually going to be cool for a second.
No. I'm kind of digging that Outer Banks hoodie you got.
Dude,
there.
I put on the American flag hoodie for this, specifically for this video.
I see that.
I'm doing American things.
America. motherfucker.
Nothing says America like putting a 52-inch light bar on your roof.
You know what we should do? Back outside where the sun's at, so we get a little warmth.
Probably.
It's a little chilly in
But
here.
I had it in here for the wind noise.
Ah, the wind noise.
Yeah, the wind noise.
Well, people on my channel know and they appreciate wind noise, so.
I have seen entire Send It Steve videos of just the whole video is just, hi guys, and welcome.
Wind noise and freaking dark. The whole totaling of the F450
As
in
you
the
can see,
dark.
the F4.
What I'm gonna do here is, because Mike took the cap off of the truck, I can put this down so I can actually, we're gonna go ahead and drill a hole through here, and then one up top here and mount the light bar on top. Now when we come out here, this is pretty much what it's gonna look like here. It'll lay here in the groove, nice and flush, and then we'll mount the light bar on top.
Hell yeah.
So this was the only way to do it because of the way the roof is curved here. It's a lot, it has a better arch on it than the light bar does. The light bar is just squared off. So this will give him the clearance that he needs to run it on the roof. Are you excited? All right, well, let me get a drill. You want me to hold this so you can two-hand it? All right, hold on 1 sec. That way I can get the headliner out of the way so you don't mess that up. All right, go ahead. You got it.
That's
Gotta
it.
keep going.
Gotta
Still
keep
got
going.
another layer to go through. How's that make you feel?
Not good.
Alrighty, so we got the brackets on.
Brackets
Got
on.
that side.
Big heat.
She's going pretty
heat, buddy.
quick.
Oh yeah.
Like butter.
It's going well. It was a little iffy at first.
It started off sketchy, but we're doing all right. So Mike lost his GoPro.
Oh, I put it on the charger.
Big surprise there, but we're plugging and chugging.
Job.
How are we gonna do this wire? Where do you want to do this? Just
know.
straight through the roof,
Drill a giant hole for the roof.
or are we just gonna run it through the door?
Gets down to the door. What, do you want to cut a hole? The problem is we can't get it. Let's drill a huge hole to put through the roof. No, we're not doing that big of a hole through the roof.
Why? Because then we can just RTV it.
That's gonna be a humongous hole.
Tomato, tomato. That ain't that big.
That's pretty.
It's pretty gnarly.
big, dude. I think just run it through the door for now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that'll be all right, right?
People are gonna then like doubt my work. Can't we just drill a hole through the window?
Through the window.
To the walls.
Yep. This is gonna be sick, dude.
Did we just send it?
This is gonna be sick. Look at it.
Any chance you can just hold it like that?
Yeah.
So I can just verify our...
Oh shit.
Oh, we're rocking and rolling.
All right, good.
Not really, but yes. Make sure that fucker don't fall, because it will break that windshield.
I got it. I would never hurt the Blazer.
Dude, that's about where we're gonna go.
Does it look good?
That is about where we're gonna go.
Oh baby, it's gonna look. Dude, this is. I am now very excited.
I would be.
Very excited.
This is coming together.
I was nervous about the holes. I'm not gonna lie. But
I don't know why
dude,
you'd
when this
be
thing
nervous.
turns on, we are gonna light up the world. The good thing is there's paint, so you can just.
All right, go through your hole
got it?
there. Yep. Let me get back on my hole here. All right, I'm centered back on my hole.
This is
Just
good.
go in and wiggle.
Yep.
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, lay her back on the roof.
Got it.
Now, while you're using that, I'll go ahead over here and use my knivesdeal.com
Knivesdeal.com.
and make my X. Bam. It actually is coming out pretty darn good, I've got to admit.
It ain't bad.
It's not terrible. It's pretty, you know, centered and everything. Mo's over here jamming. It's not bad. Not a bad install. Cool. Now, as you do know, we didn't know how we were going to do this at first because the light bar was literally laying on the roof and we didn't have any extension pieces. Whoa, that is cool.
Yeah, it's a well supply.
Yeah, so luckily Mike actually had the brackets laying around because he took the tonneau cover off, or the cap. So basically what I did was these actually clamp the cap to the truck. So basically what we did was he took these, mounted them to the roof, drilled a couple holes, and somehow it's working. I have no idea. But let's get her wired up.
All right.
All right, moment of truth.
Here you go, bud.
Bam.
It does look so good.
Look at that.
Oh, you have your GoPro on wind noise.
Yeah.
You should have it on stereo.
I should. However, I do wind noise.
That's true. That way when you're standing in your tornado out front. So I filmed this on my vlog. That's why you're not getting my initial reaction right now. I've seen it, but it's pretty freaking
epic.
crazy.
It's epic.
It's really bright.
It's definitely going to be a clean install. I'm excited. I just like our bracket.
You know what?
Our backyard
made it
built.
work. I'm not going to get close. I don't want to get close.
All right. Well, let's get her mounted inside here. So we have it all here. The switch is on. He'll be able to see it illuminates when the light is on, and that thing is actually freaking bright, guys. That is freaking nuts. I can't wait to see this thing at night. It definitely turned out good for only a few hour project. I'd say we have like 2 hours into it.
Yeah, really. I mean, without us messing around.
Yeah, maybe 5.
Look at how good that is.
What a cool project.
Hell
We
yeah.
need one of them for the Bruce.
Hell yeah.
If anybody wants to sponsor me, send me one of them.
I'll send you one.
Really?
Why wouldn't they?
For the Bruce?
Yeah.
I need to get one.
Send me one.
Well,
I bought a light bar from them a while, like a long
yeah, but you're
time.
famous.
I'm not famous.
You're famous. I'm just a nobody. I'm just a backyard building machine. So from here, guys, I am going to go back to the house, and I'm going to show you a little bit of a clip that I already shot. I helped out one of my neighbors, one of my friends, get their car checked out and everything like that. So I'm going to roll the footage from that. Just disregard some of the things I say, because obviously I thought I was going to make a completely different video, but I just decided that we're going to toss it in this video, you know, because it's only a couple-minute clip. But I did end up saving that person a huge amount of time and money and probably stress. So roll the footage from that. For that, we are here to discuss why my neighbors do not actually hate me. And I know a bunch of you might say, well, holy crap, how could they not hate you? You got a bunch of crap in your yard. But it's because of things like this. Now, she went and had it diagnosed, and they said it needed a starter in the vehicle, which I said, okay, fine. They gave her a quote. She didn't like it. I said, bring it over. You know, we'll get a starter tossed in it. It's not a big deal. Upon arrival, I have noticed that I don't believe that this needs an actual starter. Let's see if we can get it to do it now. As you can tell, sorry about the dinging. Did not do it that time because my finger was on it, but as you can see, the ignition, you don't even have to roll it to the on position. And if you can hear that, the starter is still engaged. Now, I don't know who diagnosed the problem or anything like that, but literally all you have to do is retouch the key and it goes away. So basically what that's telling me is it does not actually need the starter, which I probably wouldn't have bought a Duralast starter, but we'll talk to her about that later. But it does in fact need an ignition cylinder. Sorry about the dinging, guys. I know that is going to be terribly horrible, but it definitely in fact needs, you can see, like, you don't even have to turn it to the on position, and it makes all kinds of ruckus. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to have to call her, and it looks like somebody actually already put an ignition cylinder in this thing, but it has gone bad. I mean, it's a fairly new key compared to the other key, and as you do know, well, as I know, this key is to unlock the door, and then this is the ignition key. Hyundai never did that. They never give you two options like that. So I'm assuming somebody done messed it up. As you can tell, like, that is just insane. You can hear the noise out there still rattling around. And well, we're gonna be able to save her. Hopefully she didn't pay to get it diagnosed anywhere, but we're gonna go ahead and get her an ignition cylinder price and get this thing swapped out. All right, guys, so there you have it. We were able to help Mike get that light bar installed. It's not the cleanest, best looking thing, but I had to make do with what I had, and we didn't have much, so it is what it is. We also, as you can tell, I saved my neighbor some little bit of a headache, as they thought that it needed a starter and it ended up needing an ignition. But I'm glad that I was able to diagnose that and get them, you know, on the right path to fixing the car so it doesn't have any issues. So if you guys like the content, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Like I said, the next upload is going to probably be, well, it is going to be the F450 update. We're going to have some things taken care of and everything like that. And, you know, hopefully she's going to be good to go. She should be good to go with what we did, but we'll talk about that in the next video. So take care, guys, and I will see you in the next upload.